Hey YouTube, welcome back to Part-Time Fab. So if you're here, you can go back and watch the other video about the unboxing of this hydraulic press. If you've already watched that, then we're getting ready to get into it. So I've got some of the parts over here. I've got some of my parts here. I've already picked out some of the bolts. I've read through the instructions. The instructions are pretty straightforward and easy to follow. Really, this thing is so simple to put together. If you just wanted to come to the very end, not sure you can see that real well. Yeah, there you go. And look at the exploded view. You actually could just put it together by that, except for a few washers. They don't. There's 8 washers total. And I don't see a single one on this diagram, nor do they mention the washers in the text. But there was 8 washers and there's 8 bolts. Pretty simple. All right, so the instructions start out with putting together the feet, so let's get to it. As you can see, one of these posts has bolt holes on the wide and the other end does not. That's because this end is the top. And these two are the bottom. Into this. And through that. Pretty straightforward. Got me some of these gloves. They give you quite a bit of feel, and they're just not like the mechanics gloves, because you get a lot of feel and you don't get all the crud and stuff on your hands. Really liking these. Now these washers on these eyelets, I actually provided. It didn't come with them, but I had some. Just went ahead and put them in there. Oh yeah, that looks pretty decent. All right, now that's pretty wobbly. And there we go. Now all we need to do is tighten all our bolts, because we're kind of catty-cornered. But I think once we tighten our base up, see how it's leaning? Once we tighten the base up, that'll straighten that up. It'll straighten that up here top. And then we can tighten these bolts, and then everything will be good and snug. And these eyelets, I don't think, they don't need to be tightened anymore. Maybe if I want to put a little bit more pressure, that would probably allow me to reduce this jack a little bit, and it would raise this up a little bit. Maybe I needed to get something else in there, but really it doesn't have to, I don't guess. Just as long as there's some threads coming out the nut for maximum power, or maximum strength, that is. But there we go. That is your Harbor Freight 12-ton shop press in a nutshell, assembled. It is kind of dinky, short to the ground and everything, but you know, for a little shop, a little home shop like I got, this is really all I'd ever need. So, hey, with that, I appreciate you watching this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this one. Got another unboxing coming real soon. Got a replacement tool. So, good stuff. See you next time. Thanks for watching Part-Time Fab.